welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video. Today we're going to be doing a new treat in our store, and for your four-legged ones, we're going to be doing a sweet potato and peanut butter chip. So grab your four-legged ones, grab a pad, a pen, a few things we'll need, and we'll get started. Hey Tobes. Our first ingredient we'll need today, obviously, it's going to be sweet potatoes. I'm doing a big box since I'm doing it for the store, but if you have a small 3 or 5 pound bag, that's perfect. Get a pot, fill it with water. We're going to turn it on to full high, and we're going to put our timer for 15 minutes to let it boil. It's been 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and turn off the oven and let these cool for about 10-15 minutes before cutting. Today I'm using a French fry press for the sweet potatoes. It makes it easier, I personally think, to slice them, and for bigger quantities, which I'm doing today. Again, you can just use a regular kitchen knife just to dice up a couple that you boiled for the video. Now that we have all our sweet potatoes diced up, our second ingredient that we're going to need today is a peanut butter powder, which we're going to sprinkle and mix in throughout all the sweet potatoes, and then we're going to go ahead and put them on our dehydrating trays. Now I'm going to go ahead and open our peanut butter powder that we got and use a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and go ahead and spread it over the parchment paper so we can roll on the diced sweet potatoes. Now that we have all our sweet potato fries set for the dehydrator, we're going to go ahead and turn it on to 165 degrees and cook it for approximately 48 hours. We just finished baking ours. Let's take a look at them. They're nice and hard and crunchy. If they're still soft, I would put them back in for maybe another 8 to 12 hours. Again, check up on it periodically, and it all depends on your dehydrator machine as well, and check your settings. They came out great, they smell amazing, and now for the most important part, the test.